Want to create this text effect in Canva? Open your Canva and choose your project size, and then go to text, scroll down and choose Typography. For example, I will type here open book. Before making that text effect, I will show you the update of Typecraft. So now Typecraft is more amazing. For example, I will type open book and then I will copy and paste it here, enter, paste it here. And then we can adjust the spacing, the line spacing, or the letter spacing. Okay, and then scroll down. There are some stunning warp effect. Okay, let's see. This one, and this one, okay. So many. And I love this text effect. Okay, it looks like a 3D, right? I think everything here looks like 3D. And the most important thing that I love is we can customize it. For example, this one, choose custom. Okay, we can edit the shape like this, or we can even make a 3D circle. I mean like this. Okay, it's look like 3D. And even you can see here, it's real 3D. If we move it here, look, it's so 3D, right? Okay, that's awesome. All right, I will reset shape, and then I will go back to here. I will delete. I will make it only one line, and let's make the open book. So go here. I will choose this one. Okay. And then go to custom. All right. Now let's just add to design. Okay. And then let's find the open book element. For example, this one. Okay. And then I will send it to back. Layer, backward. I will select the text again. Click edit. So we will be back to Typecraft and then custom. Okay, and then let's create the effect. Move it here, and I think it should be go down. This one also go down to the right a little. Also this one, and I will move it here, and then update element. Okay, now let's edit more. I will move it here, move it here, move it here, and move it to the top. So it make we'll make a curve. Okay, update element. Let's see the result. All right. So now we can click custom again, move it down, and update. Okay, so now we have it. Now you have many options to create text effect in Canva using Typecraft. See you next video and have fun with Canva.